Namaskar and welcome. I am Yatharth Chikka. In the next few minutes, we'll be getting the top 24 news of the last 24 hours. Security forces in an encounter in Jharkhand have killed an area commander of the People Liberation Front of India, a splinter group of the CPI Maoists, on January 23. The said encounter took place under the Thakurgaon police station limit of Ranchi district, around 40 kilometers away from the district headquarters. On January 25, former Kerala Chief Minister and Congress leader A.K. Antony's son Anil Antony resigned from the Congress party, citing intolerant call to react tweet regarding a BBC documentary on Prime Minister Narendra Modi. Despite large differences with BJP, I think those in India placing views of BBC, a British state-sponsored channel with a long history of India prejudice and of Jack Straw, the brain behind the Iraq war over Indian constitution, is setting a dangerous precedent will undermine our sovereignty, says Anil K. Antony. This is my personal decision and I do think that this is the best course of action. I did not discuss it with my father. I have sent my resignation and I hope that the leadership will accept it. I don't think that Congress has space for me, says Anil K. Antony on the resignation from Congress party. In Kerala, a case has been registered against BJP workers for protesting against the screening of the controversial BBC documentary. The Pro-Left Student Federation of India, among other political groups, screened the continuous BBC documentary on the 2002 Gujarat riots throughout Kerala despite strong opposition from BJP student wing. Students from outside the university had come to the screening and attacked ABVP student. The president of the Akhil Bharatiya Vidyarthi Parishad claimed, adding that the Student Federation of India, the leftist student wing, orchestrated the attack. The Enforcement Directorate has attached a Mumbai apartment of the Aam Aadmi Party's communication in charge Vijay Nayyar, a flat owned by the businessman Sameer Mahindru, and several other properties worth Rs 76 crore of the other accused in the Delhi excise policy case. President Draupadi Murmu has approved the conferment of Jeevan Raksha Padak Series Award of 2022 on 43 persons, which includes Sarvottam Jeevan Raksha Padak to 7, Uttam Jeevan Raksha Padak to 8 and Jeevan Raksha Padak to 28 persons. 4 awardees are posthumous. 901 police personnel awarded medal. CRPF bags maximum 48 gallantry awards on the Republic Day 2023. In Kochi, Air Intelligence Unit of the Custom Department has seized 1.06 kg of gold worth Rs 48 lakh from a passenger coming from Dubai at Kochi Airport. The accused has been identified as Saheen, a native of Palakkad in Kerala. Further investigations are going on. Nobody should be allowed to trample upon the sovereignty of India. It is unfortunate that a party which claims to have been a part of the freedom struggle does not care the sovereignty and the security of the country, says Union Minister Muralidharan on BBC documentary. I met Prime Minister Narendra Modi in 2015 in New York and I had a full confidence in him. I knew he will take his nation forward. I have invited Prime Minister Narendra Modi Cairo to Egypt to take our relationship forward, says Egyptian President Abdel Fattah. Abdel Fattah is the chief guest of the Republic Day celebrations. We have decided to elevate our bilateral relation with Egypt to a strategic partnership. We have decided that under India-Egypt strategic partnership, we will develop a long-term framework for greater cooperation in the field of politics, security and economics and science, says PM Modi. Both leader President Sisi and PM Modi strongly condemned the use of terrorism by countries as a foreign policy instrument and called for a zero tolerance to terrorism, and all who encourage, support and finance terrorism provide sanctuaries to terrorists and terror groups, says Foreign Secretary Vinay Quatra. More than 11,000 army personnel awarded honorary rank on this year Republic Day. Every year, serving and retired personnel are granted honorary rank recognizing their distinguished services to the army. In West Bengal, one Faiz Ahmed has been arrested by the Ghoshkurpur Range Forest Division and approximately 5 kg of dried seahorse was seized from him at Naxalbari, Siliguri. This is the first time India has assumed G20 presidency. Why this particular time chosen to bring out this documentary, particularly coming from a source who had predicted at this time of our freedom that India not capable of preserving its freedom, says Kerala Governor Arif Muhammad Khan over BBC documentary on Prime Minister Narendra Modi. The Enforcement Directorate on January 25 arrested TMC leader Saket Gokhale in connection with a money laundering case. Saket Gokhale allegedly misused funds amounting approximately 1.07 crore, which was gathered through crowdfunding. The TMC leader was arrested in Gujarat and was produced before the local court. Surya Kumar Yadav is the winner of the ICC Men's T20 Cricketer of the Year 2022. Delhi police detained protester who was sloganeering outside the Jamia Millia Islamia University over BBC documentary. RRR's Natu Natu officially nominated for Oscars 2023 in Original Song category. Kerala High Court suspended the conviction and sentence of former Lakshadweep MP and NCP leader PP Mohammed Faisal and 3 others in a case of attempt to murder. Shah Rukh Khan's starrer Pathaan leaked on internet. Netizens claim that HD version of the movie is also available for free download. As per reports, the film is now available on torrent website. Apart from Shah Rukh Khan, Deepika Padukone, John Abraham, Dimple Kapadia and Ashutosh Rana are the parts of the Yash Raj film. The Supreme Court on January 25 granted interim bail for 8 weeks to Ashish Mishra, son of Union Minister Ajay Mishra, in the October 2021 Lakhimpur Kheri violence case. The bail of 8 weeks has been granted with stringent conditions. BP Model Engineering College in Bihar released an order prohibiting Saraswati Puja on Vasant Panchami celebration, which are to be held on January 26. The order created a ruckus in Bihar. Order from the principal prohibited the Saraswati Puja on the Madhepura campus of BP Mandal Engineering College. The decision has outraged the students. We will be back with news at 9 tomorrow. Till then, stay safe, stay healthy, and do not forget to like and share the video and subscribe to our channel.